Today I will discuss the concept of stack and queue and different types of queue, that is dequeue and circular queue. Now stack. What is stack? Stack is a linear data structure. It follows particular rules to do the operations on it. The order in which the operations are performed is LIFO, last in first out, or FILO, first in last out. It means same, that is, it means that the element first inserted will be last to come out, or the element last inserted will come out first. A real example of stack may be the plates stacked over each other. The first plate is placed at the bottom and we have to take the one which come last in the stack. And also to put a plate in it, we have to put it after the last plate. So this is an example of stack using array. This is a stack that is full. So this is the first element, second, third, fourth, and this is the last element. So first element will be retrieved or deleted last, and last element will be retrieved or deleted first. So this position is called the top position, that is from which we can delete or retrieve any element, or where we can put any element. The operations are push and pop. To insert an element is called the push, and pop means to delete an element or retrieve an element. So we can implement stack using array or linked list. So this is an example of implementing stack using array, and this is an example of stack using linked list. So this is the first node, so we have to go through this, and this is the last node. This is the top of the stack, and if we want to delete an item or want to retrieve an item, we can retrieve this item. We cannot retrieve any other item from this stack. And if we want to insert an element, we have to insert after that. So here top position is this, we have to insert the element after that, and if the stack is full, then no addition can be possible. After deleting one item, we can add another item. So this is the concept of stack. Now what is queue? Queue is also a linear data structure where different operations are done on different ends. The operations are performed in FIFO order, that is first in first out. So here the first element came here is 18. So this will be first to retrieved or deleted, and this element goes through this, and if we want to enter a new element, so element will be inserted in this position. So retrieve from this position or delete from this position and insert in this position. Real example of queue is a real queue or a line in front of any counter. So the first person who came first will be served first, and the last person who came last will be served at last. So this is the real example of queue. So the first element from which we can retrieve or delete an item is called the front end, and the last element from where we can insert another item after that, that is called the rear item. So this is the implementation of queue using array, and this is the implementation of queue using linked list. So we can insert another element in this direction. So here will be address of the next node, and we can add another item here, and if we want to delete or retrieve the item, we can retrieve from the head node, that is the front node of the queue. Now what is Deque? Deque is also spelled as Deque. It is the short form of double-ended queue. It is also a linear data structure, and the difference is here we can insert or delete item from both of the ends. So we can, this is the front end, this is the front end, and this is the rear end. So we can insert here or we can delete from here. Also we can insert here and we can delete from here. So this is the difference between queue and Deque. Deque can operate with both of the ends. Now another queue is circular queue. This maintains FIFO order, where Deque do not maintain the FIFO order. So it maintains FIFO and LIFO, both of the orders, that is last in first out or first in first out. But circular queue maintains FIFO order. So first inserted item will be here, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, and this will be first element, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth. So after the end cell is here, it is linked to the first cell. So if first cell is free and we have to insert and rear cell is full, so if we want to enter another item, we can enter at this position. This is the only difference with the circular queue. So rear will be from last to the first cell. Otherwise all are same in this circular queue as queue. If you have queries or any other details needed, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.